Hello guys! In this tutorial, we will see how to generate signed APK, an app bundle. Go to the Build option. Then select Generate Signed Bundle or APK. Here we will build signed app bundle. If you want to build APK, then select APK. For both you need to do the same. Click Create New. Fix the path for the key file. Here I have already created a folder named as keys.tor. Now type your key file name. Here let me name it as keys.tor bundle. This is the selected path. Set password for the keys.tor. Here it is the password for the key. Better enter same password for both. Here it is the validity of the key in years. Enter the details below. It is not necessary to enter all the details. Enter the keys.tor and key password here. Then click Next. Select Release and click Finish. Bundle is successfully built. Here you can find Locate or Analyze option. By clicking Analyze option you can see the size details. Now let me locate the bundle. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to support our channel.